How to apply for Walmart online. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can apply online for Walmart. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is you want to head into your browser, you can see, and on the browser you want to search in for Walmart, or you can just simply type in apply for Walmart. And once you do so, here you can see, once you type in apply for Walmart, you can see Walmart careers popping up. Now here you can apply for Walmart store jobs, customer service and call, corporate careers and such. You can see application process step by step. You can go through this option, or you can see hiring center here as well. You'll find various options here, and through these links you can head into it, and here you'll get various links where you'll be able to, you can see search job, you can see various options here: Walmart management jobs, Walmart store jobs, support services, Sam's Club management. If you want a management job, you can simply head into management job here. Now in my case and my region, this option isn't available, but if it is available in your region, it should load up quickly and you can go through the process and apply for it. So this way you can apply for Walmart online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.